This paper, it is 2023 internal. My focus is just how to come up with the inequalities. So as for in this first episode, we'll just attempt just A. So the question is saying, a man intends to buy goats and cows for sale. He decides to buy not more than 50 goats and not more than 90 cows. He plans to buy at least 60 animals altogether. So in this episode, my main focus, it is just how to come up with the inequalities, so that at least when we go to B, we know how to pick the inequalities. So this episode, my major focus is just the inequalities. We will end just at A for part 1. So I hope you stay glued and let's start. So they have already told us. So what does X represent? What does X represent? X represents what? X represents what? Goats. X represents what? Goats. What about Y? Y represents what? Y represents what? Cows. You write cows. That's how you start this question. Now, the first question, you even write A. They said how many inequalities? 3 inequalities. So even indicate A1 like that. So the question is saying, a man intends to buy goats and cows for sale. He decides to buy not more than 50 goats. You have heard? Not more than 50 goats. So goats is presented by letter what? X. Not more than. It means less. So it's this side. You even put what? 50. Like that. So you have answered the A1. A2. You go again. Again it is saying and not more than 40 cows. Cows is represented by letter Y. Like that. Which is 40. You have seen? The other part, it is saying he plans to buy at least 60 animals altogether. At least it means greater. At least means greater. So since they said altogether, it means you add goats and cows. So which is number 3? You say X plus Y. Since there is a word at least means greater. So you say greater or equal to what? 60. So here you got your how many marks? 4 marks. Just this. So the other part will start plotting. Thank you.